Okie dokie. Today I got me another Xbox controller. Yeah. Right, so this one is cool ass looking. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty fucking bomb ass. But this is broken. So it's just gonna be another swap out of the RB button. I'll just show that now. Yeah, so we just need to connect it. As you can see, if I click the button, this is not going well. Yeah, that's working, all the buttons are working, D-pads are working, no stick drift. Back of there, this one's working, it's just this one here, which is the RB button, so we need to change the internal button. Because that's what it's going to be, so this one should be nice and quick, hopefully. Alright, we are back into it. Has this been opened before? Yep, this has definitely been opened before. All the wires are facing the same way. So someone's been in this before. Alright, but so this is the button that we need to change. I don't think we're gonna go away. Yeah, we're not. We're gonna have to take the board out. Alright, so this is the button that we need to change out, which will be this one right here. But what we're going to do is we're going to reconnect the board. I'm just going to reconnect the board. The audio is probably going to cut out, and we're just going to make sure that that button is definitely not working. We should have a look. Okay, so okay, well, I just learned a valuable lesson. Don't unplug the ports while connected to the USB, because it will blue screen your PC. But yeah, anyway, so back to what we were doing. This one is working okay. This one is not. So it's this one that we need to change. As you can see, right, click, 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 fine, click, nothing. Absolutely nothing. So we just need changes. So unplug first. Don't blue screen your PC. And we're going to get that changed. I forgot which one it is. This one, will it? Yeah. Right. Alright, that should be unsoldered, so we should be able to pull it out now. Ta-da! Now what we gotta do is put this little guy in. The little guy that should just pop in. I can get the camera angle. There you go. Popped in. Just need to solder that in place. Do. I'm using this new flux. I got it today. It's got a mechanic 360 with a metal plunger. I think it's about £3.50 off AliExpress. So far, it's really good. Right, so we just got to solder this in. Wait for that to heat up. Man, I've got shaky hands today. So there's one that joins. Nothing a little bit of flux can sort. Man, my hands are so shaky today. There we go. We are all good. Right, we're just going to give that a clean up with a bit of cloth. And a bit of isopropyl alcohol 99.9, obviously. Just give it a brush. Give it a little clean. They're ready. Oh, there's two of them. And we should be all good. There you go. New button. We'll just plug it in to make sure it's actually working. And I'm not talking out my arse. Because I might be. I might be talking out my arse. Who cares? Who knows? Right. Do we get a light? We got a light. Bring up you. Are you gonna recognize? No? Give. Try again. Recognize. Uh-oh. Just make sure there's no crap. Try again. Plug her in. Uh-oh. Let me try a different USB port. It might be a port thing. Shouldn't be. It should just light it up, light it up. Let's just make sure that's not. Come on. Come on. Light up. Light up. Try this board. What? Okay. Well, give me one memento. I'm gonna try restarting the PC and see what happens. Okay, I am back, and yeah, I just needed to restart my PC for some reason. Alright, so this is the 41. We know that one was working, and voila! Ta-da! We are working again. But yeah, just to show you, all I did was restart the PC. It was obviously being a dick. And if I can get it in the hole, because you can see, yeah. So I just needed to restart the PC. Right, we're gonna get this back together, give it a quick clean, and I will see you near the end of the video. Alright, we are back together. It's nice and clean. Just give that a quick clean there. That should be good. Hey, I'm gonna come up the best anyway, but there we go, that's better. Nice and clean, nice and shiny. It's actually in really good condition. This is going to be for resale. This one is going straight on my Etsy, eBay, and will probably be sold in about a day or two. Usually don't last long. But yeah, let's just check it. It's actually all fully working. Well, make sure the button's working anyway. Ba-da-ba. Come on. Computer's having a proper hissy fit at the moment. I had to restart my computer again, but it should recognize it now. There we go. I don't know what the hell that's all about. Alright, so this is all working, and this is the broken one. Yay! We're back in business. Everything else is working just fine. Yep. Alright. There's another one. Another controller done. Nice easy fix. Regarding the Game Boy, that will be a video soon. I'm just waiting for parts. I'm going to try swapping out a brand new game cartridge, and I needed to get a new button because I kind of melted my one when I was changing the IC chips. But yeah, I'm just waiting for them to come, and then I will make a video on that. I've also got myself assuming it's working, just an original Game Boy Color cartridge to try. So if this works, then there's an issue with the bootleg cartridges, which, if that is the case, then I'm going to try and push the pins forward with, oh my god, I got like these little plastic shims. If I can get one out. You get the idea. They're just little plastic shims. I'm going to try and push the pins forward and see if that works. But yeah, until next time, bye.